Good morning or good afternoon. Sorry about that. This is Julie, J Auto Trading Strategies. It is Tuesday, February 20th. We are looking at NASDAQ. The volatility is back in the market. I tell you what, we came up, hit the line in the sand, and popped back down. So we had some great range today in the market. Daily high of 68.43, daily low of 67.23. 98.75, almost 100 ATR, and that's reminiscent of what the Russell did. The ES sold off as well as the mid caps, but the Russell sold off, the ES sold off, and the Nasdaq is flat. It's 2:53 Chicago time now. Markets are just about getting ready to close. Take a look at the Saint Mom on my Mac T. So here was our opening drive, great opening drive on the NASDAQ, and then it rolls over and comes back to the S1. And that's exactly what the Russell looks like. So it's that same chart pattern. So on the daily, we could not get above my lines in the sand, and that's this little bit of resistance right here. So we're still trying to decide whether we're going to break up out of that or come back in here and test our averages. So we're still long, but can't get over resistance at this point. Going to try it a few more times. Here is the high-low 2. Had some great trades again on the Russell earlier, and then this afternoon on the NASDAQ. This is the NASDAQ, and here was that opening drive up. Show you some trigger 4s. Again, great trade locations. If you can grab these early in the morning, minimal risk, maximum reward. That's what we want to do. And it's still reversing up. I mean, we've got trades now back, and that's one thing I do like. The NASDAQ provided some great trades. The Russell slowed down this afternoon considerably compared to the NASDAQ. But there was a ton of trades available on the NASDAQ for you to get excited about, especially between, get my crosshair going, 145 and 224. Fantastic, fantastic trades. So lots to do, lots of trade locations to try to get involved in, and hope you were able to get some of this today. Volatility is back. The dollar was up today, and so if we keep that dollar story going, that's going to send gold down, and that's what happened here with gold. Had a big day to the downside today, $1,680, 1.24%, 18.2 ATR. Let's take a look at gold real quick. We will look at this big move today in gold, and that's a dollar story. And here we have some great big gaps. So be careful with those gaps. The market will always come back and close those. So some gap downs and in an uptrend. So once you start seeing that dollar turn around to back to the downside, you might want to flip back over and look at your metals again. Some nice trades. Looks like ones and twos. There was a three, couple of threes, back-to-back threes. Looks like there was a stop out at one ticker. So volatility is back. Hooray, hooray. Wednesday, tomorrow, they're going to be releasing the FOMC minutes, Janet Yellen's last session. So that'll provide some volatility in the market. If you're don't like to trade that initial volatility, make sure you set your alarm for 1 o'clock so you don't get caught in that. And EIA, I think, is on Thursday because of the holiday. So a little bit mixed up this week. So try to get all of that. And that's all I have for you. Volatility is back. Some great trades today. Great trading. And that's all I have for you. So we'll talk at you soon. Thank you so much. You'll have a great afternoon.